Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted posts or reels on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram, and first of all, I'm going to open my profile and I'm going to delete this post and I'm going to recover it. We can tap on the post and I'm going to delete it. Okay, and now the post has been deleted and I'm going to recover it guys. If we want to recover the deleted post, we can go to our Instagram setting, click on these three lines on the top right and go to the your activity. Okay, and then we're going to go to the recently deleted and choose the deleted post you want to recover, and I'm going to recover this post. We can tap on the three dots and then click on restore. Okay, and click on restore again, and then I'm going to go back and check it on my Instagram profile. You have to refresh it. Okay, and this is the deleted post that I have just recovered. Alright guys, and that's all the way to recover deleted posts on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.